We've seen a bit of a mixed performance for the US dollar against this backdrop. What are your expectations for the greenback heading into 2021?
Paul, when we look at the greenback, we are going to continue to expect to see some dollar weakness. A little bit of a pause there because of this the latest fireworks coming from Washington, D.C. But we're talking to investors and they're telling them that they should continue to see that international non-U.S. dollar equities will continue to do well against the dollar. And that has a couple of implications. First, in the equity markets, a lot of U.S. onshore investors have been really rewarded over the last few years for having a U.S. equities-only focus. And so we're encouraging them to begin to diversify into global equities. And then around the world, as we look at the low interest rate being paid by the dollar and the yen, and we look at a potential for COVID recovery, there's some other currencies that look quite supportive and quite strong relative to the yen and the dollar, and that includes the Chinese currency. We also like the export and commodity currencies like the Aussie dollar, the Norwegian krone, the Canadian dollar relative to these low carry, low interest rates, dollar and yen trades.